Apple Bank will bring in a bushel of apples and say, we'd like to deposit these, please.
Apple Bank?
Apple Bank. Digging in an empty field. There ain't no gold in this field.
Cariton.
What is a cariton?
Roxina, nitanaw si Roxy ulog, nitanaw.
Good morning, Philippines!
Today is, ano ngayon guys? Thursday. Paalis lang ako guys. Puntahan ko yung asawa ko kasi may pupuntahan din kami. Punta ako doon para makita ko si Tammy. And also, may pupuntahan kami sa Long Island. So yun, may ilalakarin lang kami sa Long Island. And I'll be right back, baby, ha? Ayaw talaga to ni Roxy mga ganito eh. Nakakaawa naman talagang iwan ito. Pero, I love you guys. I love you, baby Miti. Ana, Miti, Amiti, Amiti. Mistika, I love you. I love you, no? Adoy, adoy. Aloy. Ito yung binili ko pala. Binili namin. Hoy, you are not going with me. You're staying here. You're not going with Mama. Roxy, come back here. Roxy, back. I know you are not going, baby. What can I tell you? Because I will be right back. I will be right back. I know. No. Hello, ito na. No, ay, kawawa naman itong mga baby ni Mama. Oy, I'll give you something before I go, okay?
Alchemist, skiller mo itong alchemist, oy. Oh, skiller na siya.
Okay, let's go.
And why does my soul feel glad today? I've never been this swept away. I can feel the magic.
Okay, guys. I'm here, guys. I'm here. So, yan.
So I need to take mine with me. Alright? Let's go. Take my last sip of coffee and we run.
Don't hold me tight. I like tight. I like tight. I really like tight. I want tight.
I knew that. I want to go.
She want to break. I said I have to go. And then she kept running to the laundry area. I said, no, you're not coming with me. Come back here. And then she looked at me and then run back again. She picking at me and run back again.
Remember I told you most dogs like going for rides in the car?
Yeah.
I thought it was weird that they didn't like it. They were always upset about it. They get sick. They're like, but I guess it was just a matter of getting used to it.
Yeah. Cupsy. Cupsy. Say hi to everyone. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Sam is here. We're heading to just do something. Long Island.
To the bank. I gotta check. Put in also. So.
What kind of check?
Small from
Condo.
That's the way the federal government controls the roads, because the federal government has no say over the roads, because they're state roads, and city roads, so they don't have control. So that's how they get control, by offering more money if they can, so they manipulate the things that way.
I know I'm annoying. He just told me I'm annoying, guys. Why I'm annoying?
They listen to you. They know you're annoying.
Yeah, I talk.
Constantly tell me how to drive. What, guys? I told her, why don't you drive? I said, no. And then she just wants to keep it.
He cannot hear you
Bitch
anyway
about
because you
myself.
open your freaking thing, so yeah. So it's lunchtime soon.
Lunch? No lunch.
Yeah, you're lucky because you eat
lunch
nuggets.
for you.
He eat nuggets.
No lunch for you.
He's happy.
You ate breakfast.
I eat bread, that's all, and coffee.
Wow, whose fault is that? I told you I have egg. You don't want, I don't want to, because you don't want to go to the store and buy egg.
Yeah, so that's
Too much trouble to go to the store to buy eggs.
yeah, so I just had Tommy told me to get egg. I had to.
I told you I had the asabuco. It was nice. It was like butter. You couldn't even, no knives, just like butter. It melted in your mouth. So good. So
Good.
nice.
And it's so good it melt in your mouth, but is it tasty?
Yes, very tasty. But the asabuco is lamb shank.
And he doesn't call me last night. I was really in pain. Hala, look at that.
Right, and you go to sleep and lie down and I tell you, look, if you fall asleep and I call you up, you're going to feel the pain all over again. So you wake up, then call me. Because otherwise, once you fall asleep, you don't feel the pain, so you're better that way. So you said, okay. And then you bitch, I didn't call you. Hey, you freaking kidding me.
I was really in bad pain last night when my eyes is really hurting so bad. And yeah. And I just went to sleep. And I told him to call me after when you go to bed, after you have dinner.
And we talked about it, and you decided yes. Okay, if I wake up, I call you because you need to be out of pain. You just like spoon out. If I got a pounding headache, pounding, it's like severe pain, and I finally managed to fall asleep, I don't want somebody waking me up because then I got the pounding pain all over again. Restaurant.
Guys, Tommy have a unique video plan. What is your plan, Tommy?
We'll go to Apple Bank and we'll bring in a bushel of apples and say we'd like to deposit these, please.
Apple Bank?
Apple Bank.
There is an Apple Bank.
Right.
And he want me to pick an apple and deposit the apple to the bank.
So you gotta bring in a whole bunch of apples.
Yeah, a lot of apples. Something wrong. There's something wrong with him, guys. He said I don't have...
Just see the look on the teller's face.
Yeah, I don't have a
They
nerve.
laugh.
I don't have a nerve of doing a prank like that in public.
I bet they laugh.
Huh?
I bet they laugh. We'll work there.
I'm sure they will. Or the manager will kick you out. Something like that. Huh?
Don't laugh.
I'm looking also for food, guys, because
You know Manhattan is island too, right?
I know they're all island. I'm looking for food for lunch because I'm planning to do mukbang here in the car, but I don't see anything. Nagutom na ako, guys.
Uncle fries.
Tommy is just bitching, guys.
I'm
He's
bitching. Sitting there telling me I'm over the line. I'm like perfect space in between the lines. So how are you over the line? Like your eyes.
La.
That's when I see him.
That's what I noticed too. The woman's wig. Some people wear wig. It's very obvious. It's so floppy and so high from their head. It's just, you know, that's what we noticed. Tommy first did. Look at the woman's wig. Anyway, guys. Okay, guys. We are going to stop sa Boston Market. And then I'm going to do mukbang in the car. Eating Boston. So yun. And yun. Just hungry. Time check, it is 12:46 na ng hapon. I will see you after we eat lunch, okay? You can see it in my other channel, guys. I will film it, but it's gonna be in my Food Time channel. The name of my channel is Food Time, one word. We're finished our dinner, our lunch. And yeah, for my mukbang, for my other channel. And No, I am vlogging. We're heading home. And there is muffin, 2 muffins here for Tommy and me. So I'm gonna eat one. This is the leftover of our lunch. So I'm gonna eat it. Muffin. Corn muffin, right?
Cornbread.
Oh. Cornbread. I like it crunchy in the outside.
Yeah, got a little glaze.
Huh?
Got a little glaze on it.
Yeah.
Look good.
Seems like you still don't know what you're doing.
Well, I could go this way. I could keep going straight. I could go this way. It makes no difference. Because I want to get to Veterans Highway, so if I take this.
That's a town, right?
The house with a walls of blood.
Han, what can you say to the people, Han, that telling me that I'm a gold digger?
Digging in an empty field. There ain't no gold in this field.
Are you wealthy?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, that's why I work all the time, because I'm wealthy, sure.
And am I a gold digger?
But if you are, you're really bad at it.
You know, some people comment or send me private messages about I'm like that.
265.
267. Wait, what the heck?
No, but we got 265. Look at that receipt.
Tickles, honey, tickles. He misses me, guys.
Paid 265.
It's not really. He doesn't really miss me.
My wife's not paying no attention.
Han, six.
Just finish looking at the receipt.
267.
Traffic jam ahead.
What does that receipt say? Look close. Not to mention the fact that I told you.
265.9. What is this?
If it was 1/10 of a cent, then 10.
Break! Han, I don't know about that thing, Han. I'm very bad in numbers and math. Math, Han, I'm very bad.
9/10 of a cent, 10 gallons, it's 9 cents.
God, I told you numbers, Han. I'm not good. Guys, Tommy told me he loved me. That's all he can say to me. Tell them
Tell them what?
that you love me. That's all you can say.
I love her, and that's all I can say.
Honey, what?
Coach me all the time. I drive his best. Get in your lane. Move right. Move left. Go faster. Go slower.
Traffic jam
Look,
ahead.
there's a truck. Watch the truck. He's swerving. Watch what you're doing.
Well, because I know when you're driving. Guys, you don't know, guys. You should be here to know what he's doing. What kind of driving he is.
Guys, I have an excellent driving record. I have a tractor trailer driver's license. I can drive anything with wheels.
With wheels.
Legally. Well, if I drive a bus, I have to get a passenger. Etc. My wife has been driving for a year, and she is the pro.
No, I'm not a pro. I'm very careful. I'm not a pro, but I'm very, very, like, paying attention of everything.
She's been driving 1 year. She's already killed a poor little innocent squirrel.
Han, don't see that, Han. I feel bad with that thing, Han. The heck?
I never killed a squirrel, or a cat, or a dog, or a deer,
The squirrel
or
just
a rabbit,
jumped in front of
or a
me.
frog.
The squirrel just jumped in front of me, and
I've had lots of squirrels jump in front of me.
yeah, but it's
Lots of
already
animals.
there. It's already there.
And she got an automatic braking car, and she's still in them.
No, the car doesn't even recognize the squirrel. Doesn't
Because he
even
was
see.
too low.
And did you say that you drive? Do you drive and then you drive all the wheels that have a wheels? Did you drive a Cariton? What?
Cartoon?
Cariton.
What is a cariton? If we don't have it in this country, then no, I didn't drive it.
You don't have a Cariton here?
I don't know what the hell a cariton is.
Sumakit yan ko sa'yo,
I
Han.
think my wife is a cariton.
Han, my stomach hurts. Ala. Anyway, guys, so this is what I came here. I spent time with Tommy.
Prepare to exit the highway in 2 miles at exit 31N S.
After this one, I'm not gonna stay longer, guys. When we get home, is that okay with you, Han?
I kind of expected that, huh? That's why I thought it was silly for you to come down.
I just wanna like have.
Because you're going from car ride to car ride to car ride.
Just want to spend time with
I
you.
know. You spend like 8 hours in the car. How long?
1.5 hours.
An hour and a half. So that's 5.5 hours. How long? If you get back 2 hours? 7.5 hours. It's almost 8 hours, huh?
Yeah.
I get on that from this road. I have to get onto the 195 again.
Prepare to exit the highway in 2 miles at exit 33.
This guy going so fucking slow. These guys, because they look better than him.
Look at that.
Isn't that crazy?
Slow down, ha. Don't follow that guy's action, ha.
Right. You see that already? Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna follow them. There's gonna be cops right back in here. Back to that lane, that will slow down. Because there will be cops in here right at the entrance of the by the water. It's nice.
Yeah.
So expensive houses here.
Yeah, I see.
It's crazy, crazy.
Look at that house, guys. Slow down here, honey. It's like houses here. They're very expensive. That is like wealthy area. This is Fil-Am area, right?
Well,
Big house. Look at that. How nice is this house is here. Look at it.
look at the size of that house.
Yeah, it's big.
Look at this house. Look how big this is. Nice.
Nice, huh? Big houses. Nice houses. Look at that.
When we get to the end of this, I should go show you the house of my uncle's house.
Look at that, guys. My goodness. What's up? What? This is a Fil-Am area?
Well, across the phone in our shop.
Fil-Amano, right?
This house here in the corner. This is my uncle's house.
Which one?
This one here.
This one. This is your uncle's house right here?
It was.
It was?
Dead.
Your uncle's dead. This is a big house.
Gorgeous garden in the back, like big
Really? Hello,
back
what's up?
gardens. Like a maze of bushes to walk through like that.
Yeah. Okay, guys, I am going home. I'm gonna say bye-bye with this guy right here. Say bye-bye.
Bye guys.
See you when?
See you next week.
Next
After-
week?
Yeah, next week. Sunday is the end of the week.
Monday, right?
Next week. Can you put your seat back where it belongs?
I have to, seems like I have to keep redoing it. Is this how you drive, hon?
Yeah, now press L2.
Holy
Now press L2.
Okay.
Is that right now?
Oh yeah, that's right.
See?
Yeah.
You gotta make this crap up, hon. Really?
Okay. Okay, say bye-bye. I love you.
Me too.
I love you. I'll talk to you later.
Drive careful.
Yeah.
Guys, don't talk to her while she's driving. She's really bad at this.
No, I'm not. Okay, I'll talk to you later, huh?
Drive careful.
I love you.
I love you too.
Agoy, ginoo ko. Happy. Agoy, ginoo ko. Agoy. Agoy. Come here, let's go. Let's see kung magwiwi pa sila. Tignan natin. Tignan natin kung magwiwi pa o si Misty nagwiwi agad. Si Misty nagwiwi. O si Roxy din. Which is good. Oh my God. Tana, let's go. Come here. Dada's not here. Not here. Dada, where is Dada? Where is Dada? Go get him. Look, they're looking for Dada. They go to the other side. Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Go get him. Go get Dada. Where is he? Go get him. Go get Dada. 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 Go get, where's Dada? Oh, where's Dada? Oh, Dada. Roxy na. Nitanaw si Roxy ulong. Nitanaw. Where's Dada? Go get him. Go get Dada. Go get him. Go get him. Go. Dada. Go get. Let's go get Dada. Where is Dada? Go. Look. Go look. Where's Dada? Go look. Go get him. Go get Dada. Go get Dada. Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Go get him. Dada. Where's Dada? Go get him. Go get him. Where's Dada? Dada. Where's Dada? Go get Dada. Look. Go get him. Go get him. Dada's in the car right here. Dada, I'm just teasing them then. I know it's bad, but come here. Dada's right here. Dada. Go get him. Go get Dada, Rox. Go get him. Look for Dada. Go look for Dada. Go up. Look for Dada. Go look for Dada. Where's Dada, Rox? Where's Dada? Huh? Roxy. Where's Dada, baby? Where is Dada? Hello, where is he? Go get him. Where is he? Where? Where's Dada? Hello. I'm just teasing now. No, Dada. Dada's not here. Dada's not here. Let's go inside. I'll give you Bunsi. Because you guys are good girl. Come here. Okay, guys. I am here and I told Tommy about the video you just watched about Roxy that with crying looking for him. So now if you want me to send it to him, so I'm transferring that clip right now to this laptop, and then look Roxy's reaction when I play this one. Look at her here. Look at her reaction, okay, when I'm playing this clip. Dada's not here. Not here. Dada, where is Dada? Where's Dada? Go get him. Look, they're looking for Dada. They get to the other side. Where's Dada? Why are you crying like that? Why? You do love him so much, huh? You guys. You love your Dada so much, huh? Nagsuko na yan, guys. Nagalit na yan, guys. Galit na yan. Galit? Don't galit-galit me. Don't be mad. Halaga. Are you mad at me? Are you mad at me? Are you mad at me? No. Don't be mad at me. No. No, get that. I don't. You eat your din. I'll give you Bunsi. You eat your din. Go eat your din. I-end ko na tong vlog and punta na ako sa taas. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Good night, guys.